go. Box Springs. See what's up. Little donkeys over there. Let's go. Jose. What's up, bro? How you been? Follow Cam and Gizmo.
Box Springs. This was an invite from MTB Gizmo.
There's a secret here. So far.
Good?
Yeah, bro.
Nice. Be careful.
Nice and easy. Here we go. Super loose, bro. Super loose. The chunk is real.
On footage, you can see MTB Luna, the dog. What a wicked sender.
Let me shift a little bit.
Box Springs is chunky, and the climbs are no joke. This ride, we shuttled 2 times. Trails we hit were Secret Trail, Triceratops, and Pumas Pass.
Sender. Crazy part is, I don't even think I opened up. Just gotta let it rip. Off camber. Those off cameras are no joke. Those off cameras, they get you, bro. There. Look at the doggy. Oh, doggy, go. Yeah, doggy.
What a wicked sender. Her trail lines are immaculate.
Alright, we're recording. There we go. Secret Trail, part 3. That was a roller, I think. Nice.
Alright, guys. Because it's flowy. After this, it's all just, it's really flowy, bro.
It's fun out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
Check out Luna. Pretty nice. Yeah, bro. Very nice. Nice and easy. Sick, bro. Sick with it. Looks like he's coming in fast here. Very nice, bro. Those rollers are sick with it. Sick with it, bro. Nice and easy. Super loose right here. Very nice. Check out this tech. Oh my gosh. Yeah, bro. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. So sick. Sender. Check out Luna. Oh yeah. That was sick, bro.
Right.
Very nice. So sick, bro. Looks like we're sending it right here. Alright, here we go. Destination. Secret Trail. This is the scary way. That's the scary way. But it's so sick. Go wide. Very nice. Yeah. So nice. Nice and easy. This next one is the horse trail. Got a bunch of senders right here. Check out this peak. We can't make this stuff up. Sending it, bro. Yeah, yeah. Oh, what the? Sorry, bro.
Luna, get back!
I'm following you. Gizmo, Gizmo, and Luna. Yeah, check out this chunk, bro. Super chunk. Super chunk, bro. Little rowdy. The dog is sending it, bro. Super impressive. Oh my gosh. So sick. Check out that dog though. Oh my god. So fun. So sick. Drop it right here. Nice. A little steep there, bro. But the dog was scenting it. The dog was still scenting it. Okay, let's give the doggy some space. He's got some good lines, bro. Hey, the dog chooses really good lines, bro. Nice and easy. Nice and flowy. Good chunk. Chunk. Very nice.
Yeah, that's what I told him. It's just a straight shot, dude. I mean, you choose your line, dude.
Dang, bro. This pass is pretty flowy.
This way, right? To the right?
Pretty sketchy. Here we go. Pumas pass. You gotta line it up and send it. Little slab right there. Huge gap. Massive launch right there. But he's about to send it. So we're gonna step back and watch him. You just gotta send it. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Ooh. So sick. We could send. Ooh, super steep. I think super steep right here, bro. I'm trying. It's a little bit loose.
Oh, no armor? Oh, man. Yeah,
The good thing is it's soft right there.
Yeah, but still, bro, the bike hits you and it's gonna...
Crazy, Rich. By your lead. Super sketch. Super loose too. Oh my god. So nice. A little chunky action here and loose. Loose.
I wish I could give a shout out to all the riders on this trip. Everyone said the gnar. The chunk was real. Send it, bros.
Hanging in there, sir? Hanging in, Billy. Doing good. Oh, that's great.
That's good riding, man. Nice. That was good meeting you guys, man.
You made it before us, huh?
Oh, yeah. Good riding with you guys, man.